So good morning guys, once again this is Jake Santos and welcome to my YouTube channel, Joson Toner Enterprise. Okay, so for this video we will try to unbox the brother printer, which is the DCP T720DW. This printer is a colored printer and it has a ADF, no? Compared to other printers, nakapag-accommodate po ito ng long and short originals, no? Kaya niyang i-print, kaya niyang i-photocopy. It has a 7,500 pages per black ink bottle. So for this video, i-unbox natin ito upang ma-review natin yung DCP T720, no? Again, this is from Brother Industries, no? Brother Copier, no? And Brother Copier is one of our catered brand since tayo ay nag-start sa ating business. So without further ado, samahan nyo na ako sa vlog na ito and para matuto tayo pare-parehas, sabay-sabay para sa ating DCP T720DW. So, okay, no? So, sa physical appearance parang ng carton is talagang okay po siya. Up to 17 IPM sa mono, slash 16.5 IPM sa color, naka-standard mode po siya. Then, up to 30 ppm mono, slash 26 ppm color naman sa eco mode. So, ano ba yung standard mode tsaka eco mode? Yung standard mode is yung as is na kanyang pagpiprint. Then yung eco mode naman is yun yung mas lesser ng consumption ng kanyang inks, no? 150 sheets default paper tray. Sa kanyang standard na paper tray, maaari tayong maglagay ng up to 100 sheets ng bond paper, no? Either long or short. Sa kanya naman pong auto document feeder or yung kanyang ADF, pwede po ang 20 sheets, no? So kadalasan po sa ADF kapag heavy duty yung mga printers, umaabot ng mga 35, 45 originals, pwede mong i-feed sa taas. So ito po, since ito naman ay pwedeng best for home use o office use, it has also a wireless connectivity, then mobile printing and auto two-sided printing, no? What's inside of the box? No, nakalagay dito, isang set po ng printer inks. Then meron po siyang printer cable. Also this box contains a different languages here, no. They have read the instruction here in the box, no, which the user can read para hindi sila maligaw kung paano yung mga technical specifications nitong machines na ito. So okay, so buksan na natin para makita nyo siya. Yan. Walang kayo ng pangkat. Okay. So first na ating nakita dito is yung kanyang manual, no? Warranty, no? Warranty manuals. So I have here printer cable, 1 bottle of magenta ink, and 1 bottle of cyan ink, and also 1 bottle of yellow ink, no? So also in the left side we have also the black. So kung mapapansin natin dito is marami yung black inks compare sa tatlong inks na ito. Yung inks ng colored, ito yung inks ng black. Power cable, no? So, okay. Yan, no? So nakikita nyo guys kung gaano siya kalaki. Gagawin natin ito. So, okay. Yung ating printer ay sa loob ng isang box, siya ay safe na safe, no? Kasi fully styro siya. So ito yung sa likod, sa back niya. Ito naman yung kanyang sa front, no? So yung nakaganyan yan. Ito na po yung ating printer na DCP T720. So buksan na natin, no? Ayan. So napansin ko lang dito sa kanyang plastic is medyo manipis na siya, no? Hindi katulad ng mga ibang printer na ina-unbox natin. Yung kanyang plastic is medyo makapal. Okay. So ayan na, no. Ito na yung ating printer ngayon na DCP T720. Ayan na siya. So itutour ko kayo sa surface ng ating printer. So okay, sa kanyang uppermost part na ADF, no, meron diyan nakalagay na refill tank system, no. So also meron diyang BT 5000 MCY, no, and BT D60 BK, no. And meron dyan nakalagay na BT 6000 BK naka-cross, no. This is the code of the ink, no, na you can use for this type of printer, no. So BT 5000 and BT D60. Correct me if I'm wrong, pero ang totoo niyan, hindi ko rin kasi masyadong kabisado. So as you can see, yung nakalagay dun sa kanyang bottle is ganun din, no, BT 5000C. Okay, no, BT 5000C, BT 5000C. Then the other inks is BT 5000 Y, stands for yellow. BT 5000 and M naman stands for magenta. Then also here for the black naman is BT D60 BK, no, stands for black, no. Okay, so ganito, the printer itself indicates, no, na sa sticker na ito yung mga codes na dapat nyong bibilhin kapag kayo ay merong ganitong klase ng printer. So also here, this is the exit, no, for the ADF. Then also this is the entrance, no. Where's the entrance? Teka lang, kung paano ito binubuksan. And as usual, same lang naman din siguro ito. I think you should insert in this part, no. Dito nyo isasaksak yung kanyang paper, no. Kasi sa other brand, sa other model ng brother, it has a ADF parang tray, no. So usually naka-mount dito yung ADF tray, then sasaluhin niyo yung papel. For this model pala, pinapatong mo dito yung paper, then automatic kinukuha siya ng ADF mechanical section. So paano ko nalaman? So dito may nakalagay na arrow. So then meron din dito nakalagay na paper, no? So usually gusto ko lang i-highlight itong nakalagay na ito. So this is the embroidered pictures, no, naka-embroid sa isang plastic ng ADF natin. The picture stands for staple wire, and this picture stands for paper clip. So ano yun ibig sabihin? So bawal po tayong mag-insert ng paper na merong staple wire, and bawal po mag-insert ng paper na merong paper clip, no. Wina-warningan tayo ng ano na to, ng signs na ito, no. Also we have also here yung pinaka-sign ng arrow na papasok dito, and ito yung pinaka-paper, no. Pinaka-paper yan. This one, so as you can see, no, dito papasok yung paper. So siguro dito rin siguro lalabas yung kanyang exit. Then kailangan din natin itong paper stopper. So sa mga ibang model, meron din ganito, paper stopper. So mas maganda, no, na i-activate natin ito once na ginagamit na natin yung ating printer. So for the meantime, balik muna natin. And okay, no, this is also the flatbed, no, flatbed scanner. And also it has an A4 size of flatbed, no. So mga guys, hindi po kasya dito ang long So, nagtatanong kayo kung saan natin padadaanin yung long. So, dito natin padadaanin yung long, no? Dito, sa side na ito. So, ito, ginagamit usually sa mga originals na maninipis lang, no? Yung mga resibo, ganyan. So, pwede nyo gamitin dito. Actually, yung mga iba din, original pwede rin, no? IDs, yan. Hindi naman kasi po pwede ang ID dito. So, dito tayo maglalagay ng ating IDs, no? Dito. Permits, yan. Usually, A4 lang, no? Diyan nyo ilalagay. Also, for the control panels din, no? This is the power button. Then, the Wi-Fi indications here, no? Color button and the mono button. Stop and exit. We have also menu and scan, no? The negative and plus sa sign, no, stands for additional copies, and ito yung pinaka minus, no. Also sa mga function din, nagagamit din yan, no, pag scroll down and scroll up ng inyong menu functions, no. Also we have also here the enlarge and reduce button and the copy quality button, also the copy and scan options, Wi-Fi button. So dito natin ina-execute pag mag-install tayo ng Wi-Fi, i-install natin siya o i-connect natin siya sa ating existing na Wi-Fi connection sa ating place, no? Sa ating bahay, sa office. So, okay. So, also here in the lower section of the panel board, meron dyan, no? Design in Japan. Nababasa nyo ba yan? Design in Japan. This machine is locally made na yung mga iba, no? Sa Philippines, meron na rin tayo nito. Okay, so also here we have the yung pinaka kanyang hopper or yung tinatawag na kung saan natin nire-refill yung mga bottled ink na sinecure ni brother sa atin, no? Na upon purchasing, meron tayong 4 bottles of ink. So, dito natin yun piniplace, no? Sa section na ito. So, again, i-consider nyo pa rin yung mga codes, no? So, again, this is the M stands for magenta and C stands for cyan. M for magenta, C is for cyan, then Y stands for yellow, and also last is yung BK stands for black, no? So, paano siya tanggalin? Simply, ihugutin nyo lang, ipupull nyo lang yung kanyang parang cover, no? Basta once na tanggal nyo siya, na-repealan nyo, so balik nyo ulit, no? Also, medyo mahirap lang siyang ibalik kasi it has a plastic mag-preserve ng pressure sa kanyang tank, no? Yung pinaka-tank niya, yung tangke, no? So, expect nyo, mahirap siyang ibalik, no? Ayan. So, you have to press it firmly para hindi siya pasukan ng hangin just in case na naglagay na kayo ng mga inks dito. So, as you can see, also the C cover, no, stands for cyan, no, ganun din, no. It doesn't have any polarity, but you must press it firmly, no? Press it firmly. Sabihin, mas ma-press nyo ng husto, no? Also the Y cover, no? Stands for yellow. Yan, no? Press it firmly. Also the black. Napansin ko lang dito sa ating tank is same lang yung content o same lang yung dami ng mga colors, nung 3 colors, same lang yung dami, no, na inyong mailalagay. But for black, it has a large tank, no, meron siya. So, tamang-tama dahil sa lahat naman ng ating dinescribe na inks, yung black ang mas marami, no. So saktong-sakto siguro yan sa tank na ito, no. So, let's begin our refilling printer tank, no, ng ating DCP T720, no. So, okay, first, remove. Ang pinaka-tip ko sa inyo is kung ano yung inyong re-refillan, yun lang muna yung tanggalin yung cover, no? Yun lang muna. Place nyo po yung cover dito, no? Then, okay, let's start with the magenta, no? That's M, letter M, no? Magenta. Okay. By the way, guys, these inks are original, no? Initially, no? Original siya na inks, no? From Brother. So, pansinin po natin yung kanyang pinaka-nozzle. It has a small 2 holes dito, no? Sa side na to. But as you can see, the inks, it has a cover, no? So it has a cover, plastic cover. So once na tinanggal natin ito, no, pwede natin siyang i-refill, no? So tanggalin na natin siya. Yun, no, ganun siya kasimple. Okay, no, let's remove the plastic cover, no? Then we can place it here. Then we put the nozzle, no? Okay, no? Once it is locked firmly, so start na natin itong ilagay dun sa pinaka-hole, no? So mahaba, kaya wala tayong magiging problem, no? Repeating it. And ayan, no? Makikita nyo ba yung ano, yung gauge niya, no? Magkakaroon siya unti-unti ng ink, no? Yan. O nga pala, guys, this printer is available from us, no? You can call our hotline. Naka-display siya sa side na ito, no? And you can inquire it from us, then we can deliver it to you right away, no? Just give your name and your address, no? Then we will deliver it to you, no? COD yan sa amin, no? COD. That's COD. And we are giving home service for this brand also, no? So okay, this inks is now empty. Ayan, no? Empty na siya, no? So we put the cover also para hindi siya magkalat. Okay. Okay, no? So that's good, no? So one down, then after that you place the cover para hindi siya magka-problem. So okay, no? So ganun lang po kasimple, no? The Cyan, no? Cyan. Okay, tanggalin natin yung C. Yung cover nito. So C stands for Cyan. So place natin dito sa C. Doon yun dapat siya i-place, no? Ilagay. So, place the cover. No? Okay. Yellow. Yung ink na nilalagay nyo dito, yung initial ink, is saktong-sakto doon sa kanyang tank, no? Saktong-sakto. Try to have a test copy on this printer, no? For you guys to see it, no? Kanina medyo mas marami talaga siya, no? So just close it firmly. Then this is the black, no? Ayan, no? Same as the 3, meron siyang gauge, no? And nakikita nyo na nagkakaroon ng laman yung, so guys, nagkakaroon siya ng bubbles, but it's empty na, no? Empty na siya, no? Oh, no? Once it is all refilled, no? Then close. So sabi sa instruction kanina is fill all colors, then sabi dyan, close the ink cover. So, itong cover na to, it has a, once it is pressed inside, the sensor will activate, no? Na masisense niya na ito ay close na. So, the mechanical will automatically start, then initialize, no? Initialize, then after that, magre-ready na po yan ng ating printer, no? Let's try, no? Once we close it, no? So, okay. So, I've got here filled tanks of DCP. I've got here filled tanks of DCP T720DW, and all colors are all filled, and it is ready for initialization, no? Okay, once we close the front door of the tank, no, as you can see, this light is blinking, no, and just because it is blinking, because the cover is open, that's why this light is blinking. So okay, let's close it now. Then okay, let's try, no? So, tinatanong tayo ng ating machine, no? Sabi niya, did you feel M? Yes or no? So, yung yes, it stands for up, no? Ito. And no is yung down. So, sabi niya, did you feel M? So, we press up for yes, no? Yes. Okay, another question is, did you feel cyan? Same as the nang ginawa natin. So, did you feel cyan? Yes. We press again, yes. Another question, did you feel yellow? Sabi niya. So, we will press yes again. Then finally, did you feel the BK, no? So, it's yes also. Yan. So, preparing the ink will take 3 minutes, no? So, okay, no? While preparing the ink, you can proceed with the initial setup. We can hear some initialization beeps, no? Yung mechanical niya na umiikot, no? Then nire-remind tayo niya na keeps reminding us, no, na i-set up na natin yung press OK, no? Press OK daw, no? So press OK natin. So yung date and time. So sige, date and time. Press OK, no? Press OK natin. 2021. Yes, that's true. Then month is now, the month is, that's 9, no? 9 ngayon, no? September, no? 9. Then press OK. Day is 28 today. Today is 28, no? So guys, kapag no, pwede nyo i-scroll down para umatras naman, no? Okay. So yung 24-hour clock, no? Pili kayo kung 24-hour ba gusto nyo. So meron yan, 12 hours lang. So okay nyo po ito. Then the time now is exactly 10:47. 10:47, no? Let's try 10. That's 10 press OK, no? 10:47. Okay. So that's PM, no? PM na. Okay. So cleaning, no? Yan yung final ano niya. So please wait. Cleaning siya. So please wait. So we will wait, no? Until yan. So okay guys, no? Since we are waiting, we are removing this safety tabs, no? This is also the tray, no? As I said earlier, this machine has a capacity of 150 pages, no? Sa standard tray, no? So mamaya lalagyan natin ng paper yan, no? But for the meantime, let's wait muna, no? So okay, no? Sabi dyan, set paper and press start, no? So we should we will now set the paper. So we simply natin. So ito yung paper natin, paper tray, no? So okay. Makikita nyo po dito, no? Pine-press po natin ito. We will press this for this tray to adjust, no? Ayan. So once you press this tray, once you press this, then you will now adjust this tray, no? So pinrest, adjust nyo po siya. Ayan, no? You can adjust this tray by simply pressing this slot, no? Okay, no? Once we press this, ayan, no? Gumalaw na siya. So yung pinaka dapat natin by simply pressing this, ayun, no? So pakita ko sa inyo yung yung size, no? Na position, no? So let's try. Okay, no? So okay, set the paper. Then set the paper, no? How we set the paper? How do we set the paper? So press menu. Press start muna daw. Press start. Okay. Nag-printing siya, no? So okay, no? Inalaw na muna tayo ng press start, then nag-print siya. So okay, no? And finally, we got our first test print, no? The print quality check sheet, no? Check the dotted lines forming the 4-color blocks are all visible with no gaps, no? So dapat daw kompleto. So okay, this includes the serial number, version, ayan, no? So once this material is printed, so the machine now will ask if the quality of the print is for us, kung ito ay okay, no? Sabi niya, is quality okay? Then I think this quality is good enough, no? Para sa isang printer, no? Since ito naman ay hindi naman siya pigmented, ito ay dye ink, no? So I will choose yes, no? So I will press the up. Oh yes, no? So it's now completed. Okay, diba? So this is the sample copy of the DCPT 720. So thank you very much po sa inyong lahat, sa lahat ng nag-view sa video na to, and be sure to subscribe to my channel and also click the notification bell para lagi po kayong updated sa mga videos na ina-upload ko. So once again, this is Jake Santos from Joe Santoner Enterprise, and kung nakatulong sa inyo ang video na to, just like and share this video, and also kung meron kayong mga questions about printers, maintenance, no, sa mga printer na ating ini-endorse sa market, please type your message in the comment section dyan sa baba, no, para mabasa natin siya and bigyan namin kayo ng proper solution sa inyong mga questions. This ends my video, and hopefully this video helps you about this kind of printer. So maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat, and God bless po.